Kamchatka Krai. Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky is the largest city and capital of Kamchatka Krai, and home to over half of the Krai's population. Kamchatka Krai was formed on July 1, 2007, as a result of the merger of Kamchatka Oblast and Koryak Autonomous Okrug. Based on the voting in a referendum on the issue on October 23, 2005, the Okrug retains the status of a special administrative division of the Krai, under the name of Koryak Okrug. The Kamchatka Peninsula forms the majority of the Krai's territory, separating the Sea of Okhotsk and the Bering Sea in the Pacific Ocean. The remainder is formed by a minor northern mainland portion, Karaginsky Island and the Commander Islands in the Bering Sea. It is bordered by Magadan Oblast to the west and Chukotka to the north. Kamchatka Krai is an active volcanic zone which is home to Khrushchevskaya, the largest volcano in Eurasia, and the decade volcanoes of Avachinsky and Koryaksky. Kamchatka Krai occupies the territory of the Kamchatka Peninsula, the adjacent part of the mainland, the island Karaginsky and Commander Islands. It is bounded to the east by the Bering Sea of the Pacific Ocean and to the west by the Okhotsk Sea. Mountain ranges: Srediny Range, Eastern Range, Wetwayski, Penjinsky, Pahachinsky, Olutisky et al. Heights: Khuvkhuatan, the ice, acute, Shishal, Tailele volcano. Peninsulas: Gavina Peninsula, Ilpinsky Peninsula, Ozanoy Peninsula, Kamchatsky Peninsula, Shipanksaya Peninsula and the Yelistratova Peninsula. Islands: Vekhoturov Island, Karaginsky Island, the Commander Islands, Tishi Island, Konis Island, Zubchati Island, Rovny Island, Dobzhanskogo Island, Vitoroy Island, Krany Island and Triti Island. Despite their proximity, the Kuril Islands are not part of Kamchatka Krai, falling instead under Sakhalin Oblast. Kamchatka belongs to the zone of volcanic activity. There are about 300 large and medium-sized volcanoes. 29 of them are active. The largest volcano in Eurasia, Khrushchevskaya, with the volcanic activity associated with the formation of many minerals, as well as a manifestation of hydrogeothermal activity, education fumaroles, geysers, hot springs, etc. Despite Kamchatka lying at similar latitudes to Scotland, it is mostly subarctic, more continental in the hinterland, and more maritime and prone to monsoons on the coast. Most of the peninsula is covered with forests of stone birch, while alder and cedar elfin are commonly found at higher altitudes. In central areas, especially in the Kamchatka River Valley, widespread forests of larch and spruce can be found. In floodplains, forests grow with fragrant poplar, alder, Josenia, and Sakhalin willow. In the second tier, undergrowth such as the common hawthorn, Asian cherry, Kamchatka rowan, and shrubs growing Kamchatka elderberries, Kamchatka honeysuckle, meadowsweet, willow shrubs, and many other species. More than 14.5% of the territory of the Kamchatka territory is specially protected. There are 6 protected areas of federal significance. Kronetsky Nature Reserve is a nature area reserved for the study of natural sciences in the remote Russian Far East, on the coast of the Kamchatka Peninsula. It was created in 1934 and its current boundary contains an area of 10,990 square kilometers. It also has Russia's only geyser basin, plus several mountain ranges with numerous volcanoes, both active and extinct. Due to its often harsh climate and its mix of volcanoes and geysers, it is frequently described as the land of fire and ice. It is mainly accessible only to scientists, plus approximately 3,000 tourists annually who pay a fee equivalent to $700 to travel by helicopter for a single day's visit. Kronetsky Nature Reserve has been proclaimed a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The main industries in Kamchatka include fishing and forestry. Coal and other raw materials are extracted. Due to its geographical location near major shipping routes, it is a center for shipbuilding, ship repair, and related services. There are also oil and mineral resources which are yet to be fully developed. The largest companies in the region include Kamchatskanergo, Amethystvoy Mining and Processing Combine. Population: 322,079. Source. After nearly 2 decades, Kamchatka recorded a net natural population growth instead of decline in 2007. However, in first half of 2008, the trend was reversed and population decline was observed again, partly due to an increased mortality rate among the rural population. Total fertility rate: 2009 1.58, 2010 1.51, 2011 1.61, 2012 1.73, 2013 1.77, 2014 1.85, 2015 1.89. 2016 1.90. There were 108 recognized ethnic groups in the KRAI as of 2010. Indigenous peoples of the north made up only 5% of the total population. According to a 2012 survey, 31.2% of the population of Kamchatka adheres to the Russian Orthodox Church. 4.4% are unaffiliated Christians. 0.8% are Orthodox Christians that don't belong to the Russian Orthodox Church. 2% of Thay,